So divisibility of 3. So the condition will be, when I take a number, if it is ABC, now we have to add every digit, A plus B plus C. If sum of the digits of a number, if it is divisible by 3, the number ABC is also divisible by 3. Now we are taking, అంటే సంఖ్యలోని అంకెల మొత్తము 3 చే భాగింపబడితే ఆ సంఖ్య కూడా 3 చే భాగింపబడుతుంది. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ we are taking 2025, సంఖ్యలోని అంకెల మొత్తం. So sum of the digits is equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5. So we are getting 4 plus 5, 9. As 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 2025 is also divisible by 3. Now coming to the divisibility of 9. Okay. Now sum of the digits of a number, if it is divisible by 9, therefore the number also divisible by 9. అంటే సంఖ్యలోని అంకెల మొత్తము 9తో భాగింపబడితే ఆ సంఖ్య కూడా 9 చే భాగింపబడుతుంది. సేమ్. సో we are adding every digit. So addition of every digit, we are getting 9. If it is divisible by 9, okay, therefore 2025 is also divisible by 9. So both the 3 and 9 are having same condition, but in the 3 we have to divide the sum with 3, and in the divisibility of 9 the sum should be divisible by 9. In the 3 the sum should be divisible by 3. In the 9 the sum should be divisible by 9. Now coming to the divisibility of 6. Okay, in the divisibility of 6, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, అంటే ఒక సంఖ్య 2 చే మరియు 3 చే భాగింపబడితే it will be divisible by 6. I am taking example 2022. Now check whether if it is divisible by 2. Here the last digit, it is an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. Now check the condition for 3. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Therefore it is also divisible by 3. Here we are verifying whether it is divisible by 2. As the last number is 2, therefore it is divisible by 2. Now sum of the digits, as it is 6, it is divisible by 3, therefore 2022 is also divisible by 6. As the number 2022 is divisible by both 2 and also 3, therefore 2022 is also divisible by 6. ఒక సంఖ్య 6 చే భాగింపబడాలంటే అది కంపల్సరీగా 2తో మరియు 3తో, అంటే 2 చే మరియు 3 చే భాగింపబడితేనే అది 6 చే భాగింపబడుతుంది.